everyone, welcome back to the channel. And if you love tech unboxings and simple tips, you are in the right place. So if you are seeing the message login not available right now for security reasons on WhatsApp, then don't worry. In this video, I'll show you several methods to fix this issue. First, make sure your internet connection is stable, switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data and try again. Next, update WhatsApp from Play Store or App Store. For this, open the Play Store app. Now, at the bottom, tap on the search icon and search for WhatsApp and update it if not. After this, go back to the home page, open the settings app, scroll down and click on apps option. Now tap on WhatsApp, tap on storage and cache, tap on clear cache. After this, go back to the previous page and turn on the toggle against pause app activity if unused. And after this, go back to the home page. Also, make sure the date and time on your phone are set to automatic. And if you are using a VPN, disconnect it and try logging in again. Restart your phone and then attempt to log in once more. And if the problem still continues, wait for a few hours before trying again because WhatsApp may temporarily restrict login attempts for security reasons. As a final step, uninstall and reinstall WhatsApp, then verify your number again. And after following these steps, the WhatsApp login issue should be resolved. And yeah, that's it. And if you find the information given in the video helpful, please like the video, subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon for more updates. Thank you.